How to find the LCM of 40, 36, 126? First, you have to prime factorization of we have to do prime factorization of 40. 2 2s are 4, 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 20, 10, 5 1s are 5. Next, prime factorization of the 36. 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Next, you have to do prime factorization of 126. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. You have to write factors of 40, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, and 36, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and 126, 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. For LCM, you have to write first numbers 2 3 5 7, highest power of 2, 1 2 3, 3 times 2 cube, and highest power of 3, here 2 times, here 2 times, you have to write only 2 times, and 5 to the power of 1, 7 to the power of 1. You have to multiply. 2 cube means 8, 3 square means 9, 5 7, 8 nines are 72, 5 sevens are 35. When you multiply 72 times 35, we get LCM 2520. Therefore, the LCM of 40, 36, 126, we get 2520. Thank you for watching.